So every time when I don't use any gloves and I play with the conductive paint, then I get messy everywhere. And yeah, so this paint is also really hard to get down because this one will stick to almost everything. But I'm lucky that this conductive paint is water-based and no big harm will be done to my skin. But anyway, so I decided that I will play a little bit more with this conductive paint, and in this video I will make some capacitive touch switch. So actually I will make two variants of capacitive touch switch, because one capacitive touch switch will be based on this touch control sensor, which you can connect to 240 volts, and this one you can get really easily on eBay. So this is on and off one-way touch control sensor, which means that when you connect this touch control sensor to the conductive surface, then with only a slightly press on the conductive surface, you will turn on or off the light, for example. Another variant of making some capacitive touch switch will be of using this Arduino. So this system will require only 5 volts, and with this system I will be able to control the LED. So for this project I already prepared some coated paper. Here I coat some piece of paper with this conductive paint, and this will be my conductive surface. So for the first variant I will go with Arduino. When you want to make some capacitive touch switch with Arduino, then you will need, of course, the Arduino, some prototype board, but this is not necessary. Then you will also use one mega ohm resistor and also one 220 ohms resistor, and a lot of cables, and of course the LED. And now I will connect everything together. So one cable will go here to the ground, then here I will need one resistor, 220 ohm resistor, which is connected with the ground, and one end is connected to the negative of the LED. Like so. Then another cable will go to this pin 13, and the another end of the cable will go to the positive side of the LED. Then I will also use the pins 2 and 4. So. And between these two cables I will connect 1 mega ohm resistor, and for the finish, here I will also connect this wire which will go to this conductive surface. And now I will upload the code on my Arduino. So first make sure that the EDA will find your Arduino. So mine is on COM8, which is good. Then I will make a new sketch. And this I will replace with the code which was more or less made by ChatGPT. But in case that you want to make some changes in the code, then just insert this code in your ChatGPT, and together with the ChatGPT you will be able to change the code to your needs. So here I have the code. Now verify. Everything is good, and now I will upload. Really nice. And now I will go back to my Arduino. So this end of the cable I will connect to my conductive surface. Oops, you cannot see. And now if I touch one time on this conductive surface, you see that the LED turn off. If I touch again, then the LED will turn on. But in case that I will press the surface for about 4 seconds, then the LED will start to blink. Very nice. It will work also if I have some isolating material between the conductive paint. Now I will add a little bit more papers on the top of this conductive paint, and still works. So here I have the thickness, the paper thickness of 0.7 millimeters. Let's increase the number of the papers to 2 millimeters, and let's see if this will still work. Now I need to press a little bit harder on the paper. And for the second variant of making some capacitive touch switch will require this touch control sensor, which you can get really easily on eBay. So in my case I already connect everything together. So here I have this touch control sensor, which is connected to this LED lamp and to this cable which goes to the mains. So the connection of this touch control sensor is the red wire is directly connected to the neutral wire of the cable, then the white wire of the touch control sensor goes directly to one wire for the lamp. Then the yellow wire is connected to the conductive surface. In my case will be this carbon coated paper which I already prepared. The black wire of the touch control sensor is connected to another wire for the lamp and is also connected to the neutral wire of the cable. So in case that you are afraid of the electricity, then please don't do this version. Okay, so first I will connect this yellow cable to this conductive surface, like so, and now I will plug in into the electricity. Okay, so this touch control sensor is a little bit more sensitive, and for this reason on this paper I can put a little bit more thicker installation. So 8 millimeters. Let's increase the distance. Really nice. So guys, I also need to show you something which I think that is really cool, and actually I'm able to turn on and off the light without touching of this surface, because if I make like so, I can turn on and off the light. So guys, that's it about of making some capacitive touch switches with conductive paint, Arduino, and this touch control sensor. So that's it for now, and we see us in the next video. Bye.